Good morning, everyone. Welcome to your midweek check-in. I want to show you a couple things that I think will help you as you work on your essay. First, on our homepage, I have now put a model body paragraph for the essay. And I know a lot of you are writing really great paragraphs. And in case you're needing guidance as you write, your last paragraphs for your draft, I've got this up here. So you'll see this is the paragraph down here. It's big, and your paragraphs are nice and big. They're robust, which is great. And notice that my paragraph is now color coded. It's got 5 different colors, and that's something that you should be able to do to your own paragraphs as well. And here's what the colors are. I have a color for each of the parts of an academic paragraph. So I have a color for my topic sentence, and of course your topic sentence should be stating one specific point of view about the right to be forgotten or one specific solution. Where do we go from here? Then I've got pre-harvest explanation. I've got a color for harvest 1, another color for harvest 2, and another color for my wrap-up. So you can see here I've got topic sentence in pink, pre-harvest in blue, harvest number 1 in green, harvest number 2 in purple, and my wrap-up in orange. The other thing you should be able to do is to take one of your seed harvests and number each of the parts. So you should have numbers 1 through 4. If I go down to my first seed harvest here, it's in green. I have an academic intro, that's my 1. I have context in its own separate sentence, that's my 2. There's the 2 over here. I've got my he says plus the quotation and quotation marks and a citation, that's my 3. And I've got my analysis using academic language. His comments show, his comments suggest, what he means is, and that's my 4. So that's just a way that you can check your own work to make sure that you're on the right track. Something else that I want to show you is our conference sign-up sheet. So next week and the week after, I will be meeting with each of you individually, and during that conference is when your draft is due. So if your conference with me is on Monday at 10:30, your draft is due Monday at 10:30. If your conference with me is on Friday at 1:30, then your draft is due on Friday at 1:30. And here's the conference sign-up sheet. It's in the module for this week. It just says conference sign-ups. And it's a sign-up genius, so you're just going to go pick your slot there. And then the essay is due on October 12th. So we will be starting Unit 2 before we finish Essay 1, and that's just for time's sake. But the next big thing that's happening is that you'll be having a conference with me. That, and you have a paragraph, body paragraph 2, and your introduction due today by 11 p.m. I think that is it. I want to invite you to join us for our second outdoor class session if you didn't get a chance to come on Tuesday. It was really fun. It was really nice to see you guys. It was really fun to work on writing in person, which is the way that I think it's supposed to be done. And I know that a lot of people can't make it. Either you're working or you have kids at home or both. But if you are able to make it and you would like some help on your essay, or you'd like to read me some parts of your essay, or if you just want to work with with other people, then I invite you to come. It's from tomorrow from 12 to 2. We'll be outside the library on the grass near the sculpture of someone doing a back bend. So I look forward to seeing you there, and feel free to come again if you want to come again and get more feedback. Okay, that's it. Thanks everyone.